I bet you've wondered how you ended up with autoimmunity. I'm Dr. Payrovi, and when I first got diagnosed with MS, I was in shock because I thought I was the healthiest person in my family. But I failed to see all the clues along the way that my immune system was on the wrong path and I wasn't course correcting. Now, as an integrative and functional medicine doctor, I want to share with you a powerful approach that can redirect your immune system away from autoimmunity and inflammation. In my upcoming workshop, we're going to learn how to think like a functional medicine doctor so you can identify your root causes of autoimmunity and opportunities for healing that immune system. You're going to create a timeline so you can see your story of autoimmunity unfold, which will give you insight into new ways of managing fatigue, pain, anxiety, depression, and other symptoms beyond medications. This is how we begin to clean up our cellular health and heal our immune system from the inside out.